Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you some ZD FlipZ stencils. Let's get started. Real quick, I want to give thanks to Brushstrokes. He designed these stencils, and believe me, they're amazing. I'll be putting a video of him showing you how to do it. I've never done it before, but I am gonna try it out, see how this comes out, but I'll let the master show you how to do this. A quick disclaimer, guys, this video was made by Brushstrokes. He gave me permission to use his video on my channel. Brushstrokes, thank you very much. So let's just start. Also, all the information and Brushstrokes channel will be in the description below. Go ahead, hit him up, tell him Far Away sent you.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jake here, aka Brushstrokes, and today I'm going to be launching my stencils, ZD FlipZ. These are stencils used for burnishing silver leaf, or gold leaf, or copper leaf, or whatever. So most of these are multi-layered stencils used to create designs in silver leaf. Here is this one. This is a design that this creates. I named this one Holy Cube. I have some other designs here as well. This one is done with a single layer stencil called Chicken Dinner. This is Tried Deception. Here's that one. Same one in the center there with some candy over it. I don't know about y'all, but I just love this. How it flips and flops. Therefore, flips and 3D looking. 3D and flips. We got Cubert here. So these are available. I do have it all set up for the first, I think, 5 or 6 of these that I'm releasing are all set up on my website, brushstrokes.com. Link to my website's also down in the description. You just have to go over to the shop tab and you'll find all these listed under there, as well as some original artwork. Alright, so let's show you how these work. So this is the actual size of the Cubert stencil, just for your own reference. So, alright, so another reason I called these flips, I designed these to basically just line them straight up with each other. It's usually easier to do this one at a time, so decide where we want. First you want to kind of decide where you want your pattern to be. So once you get the stencil where you want it lined up, just take one end and you can tape it down. It doesn't work too well. Sometimes you have to do it from the sides. So it'll probably work best from the side. So we'll set that one there. Now line this one up here. Once we're lined up, we can just tape this side down. Just like that. So now we got our stencils down. This one can just go that way. This one can go that way. Let's just make sure they still line back up. So I recommend when you tape these down, you tape at least, a good 1-2 inch section. That way your stencils aren't twisting on you. And be careful that you don't twist them. So once we got them lined up, so we got one stencil, we'll start with one of them. So all we're going to do is burnish the leaf up and down or left and right on one of these stencils, and then the opposite on the other. So for this one, we'll just go up and down real quick. Let me get out of the camera view here. And these do work best if you hold the stencils down. They will kind of move around a little bit on you, but and as you can see, I made this little, just a wood block with Velcro and cut some. I'm using 5,000 grit Trizact. You can use 3,000 grit or whatever, but I just found that cutting straight edges like this helps get a crisper, cleaner design. Helps you get on up to those edges on the stencil a lot better. So I won't bore you with the rest of this. I'll go ahead and do this off camera and jump back on when I'm done. Alright, so I just finished burnishing this whole stencil. I was going up and down the whole time. Up and down on this one. So we'll flip that out of the way. And there you go. You can see that. So once we got that one, flip that one out of the way. And we can flip this one. And we just kind of want to double check to make sure that it's lining up. Those other squares, you should kind of be able to see them. I don't know if you're going to see it. Yeah, you can kind of see it on camera, but you can see where it's burnished in there. And I can see that it's lining up good, so we're nice and good. So now with this one, we're going to want to burnish sideways. So it's always, like I said, it's always nice to hold the stencil down as much as you can by it. Little tip for you. Here's how you clean your Trizacts. Get the leaf off. Just take some tape. Seal that. And if you see right there, I messed up with my stencil. It's not going all the way to the edge of the board, so we'll have to adjust that to finish it. Actually, you can't tell very much, but there you go. ZD Flips. Quick, simple, easy, and a very cool effect. Something different than the typical spun leaf. So this would be very cool to incorporate with graphics or for pinstripers, you know, using as like a centerpiece, you know, something to build off. So yeah, if you want to check these out, I think I have like 5 or 6 of them out on the website right now, brushstrokes.com. Down in the description is a link to the website. Just head over to the store. But yeah, go check them out. If you want to possibly buy them, I really appreciate the support. If you have any questions about them, you can always hit me up at any time. Till the next one, keep those brushes stroking.